Question 4. Find and simplify the last term and the expansion of 2y minus 3x, all raised to the 7. So this is a binomial expansion. We're just looking for the last term. Now to figure out the last term, we got to look at the exponent here. And the number of terms is always one more than our exponent n. So this expression has 8 terms. So we'll write out the formula from our formula sheet. It says tk plus 1 equals n choose k, a to the n minus k, b to the k. So I'm going to use that formula. So because I'm looking for the last term, I am looking for term 8. But you have to make an adjustment. If we know we're looking for term 8, right, we realize that k must equal 7, because 7 plus 1 will give you back the 8. The value of n is of course our exponent, which we said was 7. So the formula becomes 7 choose 7, a, which is just the first term, 2y to the n minus k, so that's 7 minus 7, and then it's b, negative 3x to the k, which is 7. So 7 choose 7 is 1. This is 2y to the 0, and now this is negative 3x to the 7. Remember, the whole term, here, is raised to the power of 7. So when we simplify this, we want to write negative 3 to the 7 times x to the 7. And this is all multiplication, so be sure to include brackets around the term with the negative. So continuing on, 1 we don't really need to write. 2y to the 0 is 1 as well. Anything raised to the 0 is 1. Negative 3 to the power of 7. It's going to be a negative number because it's an odd exponent. So that's negative 2,187. You'd use your calculator for that. And then finally we get x to the 7. And that is the correct answer. I'd like to show you one quick shortcut, which is the way I would do any binomial expansion. If you're asked for the first term in a binomial expansion, it's just going to be the a in your binomial. So it's raised to the n. So in this case, it will be 2y to the power of 7. If you're asked for the last term, which we are, the shortcut is just take the b term, which is negative 3x, and raise that to the power of 7. Of course, we would get the exact same answer, but I just want to show you that shortcut.